And we are joyfully thanking and praising God for the many blessings we received in the past year. And we also ask Him to continue to bless us with all the blessings we need to remain faithful to Him, to be obedient to Him, and to be His presence here on earth. And it is proper and appropriate for us to be grateful. Tama sana na magpasalamat kita, magtulong kita. We have heard in the first reading and in the other readings, not only for this New Year's Day, but we were told and we know that this God is a gracious God. He is a loving, He is a merciful and forgiving God. In other words, it is because of His graciousness, it is because of His abundant generosity that we receive. It is not about our merits. We do not deserve His blessing because we are all sinners. We always fall short before God and before our neighbor. Pero hindi kita nagkukulang sa tupang ng Diyos sa kapwa. Nagkakasala kita, natutumang kita sa iya. Sa daay pagputog kan sa iyang mga tugod, kan sa iyang tataramang, kan sa iyang katutuan, kan sa iyang dalan, kan sa iyang paangin. Pero hindi kita nagkukulang dyan. Nagkukulang man kita sa kapwa, natutulang ng kapwatan, nalalamangan, makuutikan, bigripa, etc.